Meaning of insipid.
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 Insipid. The word insipid refers to something that lacks flavor or character, and is therefore dull, uninteresting, or lacking in stimulating qualities. Insipid can also describe something that is weak or ineffectual. For example, a dish may be described as insipid if it lacks seasoning or complexity, while a conversation may be described as insipid if it lacks depth or meaningful content. Overall, something that is insipid fails to engage or excite the senses, and may be considered bland, boring, or unappealing.